So we're in Clovis, California. We just finished installing a Badger 1/3 horsepower garbage disposal. This is a brand new unit straight out of Ferguson, and we did replace the mounting flange up here. The old one was corroded, which means you had some water seeping through. Can't tell you how that happens or why, but anyways, brand new putty, brand new strainer, brand new mounting flange, and that all comes with a disposal. So then of course that's mounted, tied back in. Everything else is existing. None of this plumbing is ours. So you've got the Schedule 40 P-trap. You got the tubular assembly that comes over from the basket strainer over to the disposal, tubular T, tubular 90. Anyways, but that's brand new. So these are 1-year warranty. Sometimes they last 10-15 years, sometimes they last a year. Can't tell you, but keep the basket dry as much as you can. Don't fill it with food and water and let it sit. That corrodes the basket and then ends up down here. But so right now we've run plenty of water down it, and you can hear it running. So there's no leaking on our part. The only thing that would be leaking is, of course, the flange. You can see up here where it meets the cast iron sink. There's putty, and then you can see putty on the flange. So no leaking there. And then, of course, reconnected the discharge hose, the 7/8 hose that comes from the dishwasher. No leaking there. And then, of course, we mounted a new gasket inside of here and remounted the existing 90-degree turn that was already tied in here. This is all yours. The T, tubular piping, P-trap, all that. So, I mean, we looked at it. It looks like it's in, good enough shape. We don't see anything obvious, but that's not, in the scope of our work. We can see, you got your high loop back here for the island vent. Got some copper plumbing going on. You got PEX coming through the floor. So, anyways, that is the scope of our work. Outside of that, this installation is done.